I am Zilek. In the lab 5, we are using Junit to do tests for our program. So to do a test, we had to start by creating a new instance of calculator before each test so that we can ensure that each case is not interfered by the case before. So like we are starting with a clean slate for every single test. So to do a test, we need to add this annotation, and the test name we can assert equals to set the expected value, and this is the function that we are testing, which is in the calculator class. So for each test case, it's similar. We can also expect an exception when asserting the value returned, as can be seen in these 4 tests. So in the calculator class, we have all four functions, and these are all implemented after the test. The arithmetic exception here is thrown if the integer after being added is bigger than the max value. It's only checking if one of the number that's being added is the max value of the integer. It's not the best test case, because let's say if one is more integer dot max value minus 1, it will not be tested here, so it's not a complete test. But yeah, and this also tests for overflow using the proper way. It will test for 2 long numbers by computing it in 64-bit, and then try to put it in a 32-bit variable to see if it fits. If it doesn't equate, it will throw an arithmetic exception. And in the 4th dividing function, we test the division by zero error. So we'll run the test, and it shows here everything has passed, because when we do test driven development, we had already implemented everything. So everything that's after running through it, every assert equal is true. So that's pretty much for this lab. Pretty much it for this lab. Thank you for watching.